Hi, my name is Joe Fontenelle. I'm the executive chef at the Sheraton New York Times Square. And today we're going to be making pasta with chicken, mushrooms, and white beans. The interesting part of the dish is we're not going to be using chicken stock today or any tomato sauce or cream. We're going to be using some pasta water right from the pot that we cooked our pasta in to actually help make the sauce. And to help us along with that, we have some shallots, some Madeira wine, a little bit of lemon, and some butter, and we're going to finish with a little lemon zest. So first we'll get started. We'll add a little olive oil to the pan, and then we'll add our chicken. Let that get nice and hot first, and then we'll add our chicken. There it is. Now we're going to move our chicken around till it's nice and brown. So now we're going to pull the chicken out. Save that, then it'll go right back in. And we're going to finish making the rest of the sauce. While the pan's still hot, we're going to add our shallots and our mushrooms. And we're going to let these saute out. Let the mushrooms get nice and golden brown. So now that the mushrooms are nice and golden brown, we'll start to add our spinach and our white beans. We're going to let those cook. Spinach will cook down and start to wilt. So now the spinach has come down, wilted a bit. We can add our chicken back in now. Once that's in, we're going to use our Madeira wine and our lemon juice. Once that's in, and now we can add our pasta water. About 4 ounces. Creamy pasta water. And we'll start to let that cook. So we've added our pasta, and we're letting that all come together. We'll add a little salt, our chives, lots of chives for this. Now the whole thing with this is you want a little bit of a bean and a little bit of the chive all getting stuck in the dimple of the orecchietta pasta. That's what we're hoping for. So we'll make that happen right now. We'll plate it up. Okay, so that's chicken with pasta and white beans. I'm Joe Fontenelle. I'm the executive chef here at the Sheraton New York Times Square.